some things have changed here. You come down here on drinks, its margin is 100% rewards of there isn't any inventory to mark out the margin. So for us to see a difference in the margin, we have to put inventory. So the graph has changed. So on this particular date it's lower, so the graph has pivoted accordingly. So if you go to inventory, do the same product, drinks, quantity, let's say you bought in bulk 100, cost per unit, let's say it's costing $10, you're selling it for 5. If you add it, then if you head over back to overview, you need to see made the loss of $100. So this is a very huge loss.